let's talk about SEO real quick. And I know SEO is boring. SEO sucks, but I'm not biased when I say this, but our SEO does not suck, and I'll show you why. So, but before I get into that, let me show you this, okay? And this is in the home improvement space. 60 calls per month. And the average close rate, which was not recorded, this was an assumption, 30%. I believe it should be higher because SEO, you get way higher intent leads, all right? Get better lead quality. These are not people that are calling you up, asking you how your day has been. They don't care. They want you to build something for them, right? So 30%, I think it's on a lower end, but let's just use it to be fair. 60 calls, 30%, 18 customers committed to a job being done in their home, right? That's a $5,000 value. Again, I think that's on the low end. If you're a remodeler, this is looking more like 10K. If you do kitchen and baths, your average is probably a little higher. Anyways, $90,000 per month is what that generates, is what taking a business from the top 20 to the top 5 on a local SEO on Google Maps, right? Google My Business. $90,000, that's the difference. Now, let's just say our SEO was $30,000 a month. It's still worth it. Now, it's not that much, but it is still worth it. I don't have to tell you why 30K to make 90K is a good idea, is a good investment. Okay. But let me fly through this because I know SEO is just those 3 letters that you just hate to hear. But let's get right into this thing, right? What sets us apart, basically, I'm going to make this quick again, is that we only do this on mobile phones. Okay. We do not mess with SEO on desktop. We only do it on mobile devices now. These are not hacked phones. Okay. These are real phones. These aren't stolen phones either. These are actual phones, and that we've plugged AI into it. We've plugged automation into it so that it just does SEO all day. All right. Specifically, it does drives to your business every day. Right. So just check this out real quick. This is what it would do 30 times a day. If you are a remodeling company, a lot of remodeling companies, or some of them have showrooms, right? And this a specific example, it's a pizza shop. But if you are in home improvement, you probably have a showroom of some sort, or people go to your business just to drop off a check or something like that. That's totally normal. Basically, what this does is it sends the perfect signals out to Google, and it shows them like, hey, people are going to these places. People are interacting with the profile. It looks for your profile on a phone. It looks up whatever you do. Let's just say you're a remodeler. It looks up kitchen renovations near me. And if you're on page 20, it's going to keep searching you. Page 20 is going to get to page 20, interact with your business as long as it takes. And then it's going to do it over and over and over and over and over again. That slowly starts to bring up your rank. That sends the right signals to Google, right? It's going to drop 2 or 4 targeted reviews to your business if you want. Some people don't like that. Some people love that. But again, our goal is to get you to top 3. And this helps tremendously. With us, our logic is, you know what, let's just do everything we can as fast as possible because it is an investment to work with us. And we're trying to get you to recoup that as fast as possible so that everything else after 2 weeks or so, you are fully back in the green and then some. Okay. So again, I'm just going to pass by these. This was a quick study that we did with 2 different locations. We did one without our SEO and one with, and you can see the difference between the 2. All right. Now, this is a roofing company in Margate, which is a little north of Fort Lauderdale. We took those guys from 21 to number 1 in a month. That takes a year to do, especially in Florida, anywhere in Florida. Now, this is another roofing business. This is in Miami. We got these guys at around 18 average to number 2 average in a month in Miami, where there's more roofing companies than roofs. Okay. A lot of commercial buildings, a lot of, high rises and all. But yeah, very impressive. 1 month. A handyman in Toronto. This was actually just last month that we got this report back. This was, he was ranking number 1 in his small vicinity. It was like his little neighborhood. Cool. The rest, though, he was a ghost, an absolute ghost. After 2 weeks of working with us, he started ranking. And this is, I guess, it looks like an average of like 5 or 6, right? And this is a 10-mile radius. Amazing work. And he has been slammed. That's all I know. HVAC company in California, right? Again, another ghost. Google My Business. He was probably at the bottom of the first page, maybe the second page. Well, we got this guy to an average of 2 in a matter of a month, just a month. Again, guys, this takes a ton of time. It used to take 20 quantum physicists just to get you to top 10. All right. The game has changed, and it starts with our SEO.